and then the weather changes again. So now it's gone weather changing. Just want to say thank you for watching, really appreciate it. Let me know in the comments what you think of the shave horse, what you have done to your shave horse. There will be a video, hopefully before Christmas, about me doing something to the shave horse. I'll see if I can get somebody to help me out and sort that out. But appreciate you watching. See you next time. Enjoy the winter, it's beautiful. Cheers. Hello and welcome back. Good to see you again. Thank you for following and watching and subscribing. It all helps. So in this video, so I'm watching Poe. This is the video that I'd sort of been putting off for a long while, but the timing's right. I've never shown anybody online my shaving horse before, because my shaving horse was made in about 2014. It's about 10 years old now, and it's different. It's very different to most people's shaving horses. It's got a few things about it that are unique to it. I'm not sure I'm going to get them all in this video, but I'll try. And I'm using it at Riverside House, where Lloyd and Claire are, and Andrew's coming along to see what's going on and do some filming for me. So thank you for that, Andrew. Lloyd and Claire, thank you for allowing me to use your space to do a little bit of a video. Love the coffee, Claire, thank you, and your cake as always is wonderful, so thank you for that. So I'll have a bit of a chat about it, but you know, I'm going to shut up after a little while, after me telling you about my shaving horse, and you can enjoy the rest of the video with me taking shavings off legs and just having fun with a shaving horse in some woods, making legs and just enjoying the oak leaves dropping around me. And actually I'm here now and walking with Poe in amongst oak leaves again. Every opportunity you've got of kicking leaves, of leaves falling around you, of enjoying the outdoors, we should take advantage, because it's so good for our mental health and it's just beautiful. And yeah, I've shared a lot with others today, so enjoy the video. I'll shut up. There's a few outtakes at the end. Well, winter's well and truly here. Oak leaves falling all around, which is wonderful, and we're here at Riverside House today to do some work on some legs on my shave horse. Good morning. There's a noisy building site over there this morning, which is sort of slowing down what I'm filming. And I'm just doing preparing a video, and I want to show you my shaving horse, which is a little bit different to everybody else's shaving horse. I've got not just a carved seat, but I've got a lovely back to it, which I find helps, and I've got this going on, and we're going to do a little bit of draw knife work on this leg. Now if you're wondering why there's paper there, that piece of wood has got a small split in it and it was annoying me, but this is spalted ash and it's beautiful. So I'll show you some of the other parts. I'm making a stool, and that is the seat of the stool, and one of the legs is done, this one. I've not drilled the holes yet, not worried about that just yet, but these, look at that. So that's what we're doing. Andrew's with me today. Andrew's going to do a bit of filming for me, and we're just going to chill out and relax. Look at that. So the barky leg and this other leg will be at the back of the stool where the bark is, and then the really pretty legs, these two, will be at the front of the stool, so we can see all of this lovely spalting. Look at that, and enjoy all of that. Yeah, so let's put that in there and let's get on with some. And here's Andrew. Cheers, Andrew. Right, let's do it. As I said, made about 10 years ago, this shave horse is a single ash plank that was too wide. I did cut it down through the middle, but I'll show you that later, with oak legs. 3 oak legs. I've got the leather at the front, which I had seen on an old boy's shave horse with leather or canvas, and it was so good, and it wasn't too restricted. Some people hinge them and do all sorts. That leather is really useful, and it's flexible, which is perfect. It's made just for me, so there's not much adjustment on it, but I think I'm going to do another video soon where I show you how those adjustments. But I'm really pleased with it. It works so well, and that back is so useful. There's a really good 2-to-1 ratio going on here. So whatever I pull that, I've got whatever weight is against there, that twice the distance to this. So it's incredibly strong. So it doesn't matter how hard I pull. If I pull really hard, at the same time as pulling, you tend to push with your feet. So you're locking it at the same time. It's great. It is good. Nice. Nice. That's nice. So what I've got here is I've got one of these. That one hasn't been done at all. So let's finish that one off. And that's the first leg finished. So when I first made this, I'd seen about 6 or 7 shave horses. There were loads of videos out there and all sorts. But I'd been to a friend of mine who's got some woods, and he's got about 8 in a circle, and I tried them all out, and I got all my dimensions from his, and they were great. I've used oak legs on here, and I thought I'd got the best arrangement, but I think my legs need to be 2 inches higher, so I'm going to have to extend my legs. So that's going to be a video, because to lengthen legs, I can't redo all the joints, because the joints took me ages to do, and I don't want to change the legs. I love these legs, so I'm just going to extend them. So it's going to be, yeah, it's going to be different. Just think traditional Japanese woodworking, lengthening timbers. That's what I'm going to do to these, which will be quite amazing. It's just this bit now. So can I go this way? Probably, but I'm going to go the opposite way. I'll push the tool away from me. This is a back leg I'm just starting, and I'm working on the tenon, stub, dowel, whatever you want to call it. I've got a little jig here. That's got to go in there, so I've got to do a good job to get that cut. So I'm just going to work on that, and on each surface just go round and make that nice. Let's see how far I get. I moved from there up to there because that's going blunt, so I can feel that it's not happy. Had a sneaky look then. Outtakes. To be fair, that's quite nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. With the trees and that in the background.
Yeah. Ooh. I love how smooth that is. Look at it. Beautiful. If there was one that's going to break first, it'd probably be this one. But saying that, ash is strong enough and it's flexible enough. Look at the leaves falling. Nice. So look, I'm working my way up to the line, getting close. No, not yet. Oh, there you go. Nice, first try. Nice. You on? So now you can just see these bits here where I put it in the hole and it's left some marks. So now I'll just take those off and try and get it to go further up. Turn it over. Right, should we try it? Every time I put it in, I always put it in from the dirty side. That's the clean side. So let's see how far we've got. We're 2/3 the way through there now. So yeah, that's pretty good. Doesn't want to come out. Wow, that is a good fit. I could make that a little bit thinner. I could take some of these marks. Take these dirty marks off, but not too much, because I don't want it loose in the hole. grain. Stop it before it split. Just thought I'd share some of these seats that are around the place as well. These are quite simple logs with legs added. Great to just perch on around a fire. And they look really cool, don't they? Time to gather things up now. Head back to the workshop. These are all the bits and pieces I needed. Yeah, it's been a good morning. Been really good. Riverside House is a beautiful place.